लगाकर बॉल उड़ाकर शॉट लगाइए, सिक्सर 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 गेम हो या घर का टिम्बर, चैंपियन चॉइस सिर्फ अर्बन टिम्बर।
Good opening partnership. And the ball's gone high up in the air once again. This is the second six of this.
हुई थी अंकित अग्रवाल और अंकित पंचाल के बीच में, कोरज क्रेगन के सामने।
And both of them. And there's a fielder waiting. And once again, the ball is going.
इधर आ गया है। बहुत ऊपर खेला, ओ क्या बात है, व्हाट अ कैच। ये बॉल में उछाल था और ये बॉल इस समय बैट का बाहरी किनारा लेकर बाउंड्री के बाहर। चार तो अच्छा शॉट है इस समय लॉन्ग ऑन के ऊपर से कौशल दवे। तो ये बॉल भी बहुत ऊपर है, तो फील्डर बन गए दर्शक। और ये बॉल भी बहुत ऊपर है। स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन है। कदमों का इस्तेमाल बहुत ऊपर खेला है। ओ यहां पर दो फील्डर होना चाहते थे, वो सिक्स लगाकर, इसलिए थोड़ा अपने आप से निराश भी है, लेकिन जितना किया है उतना अच्छा है और कप्तान ने भी उनका स्वागत किया। और फ्री हिट का अच्छा फायदा उठाया कैप्टन राजू जापान ने, और क्या कमाल का ये टावरिंग सिक्स।
एक बार फिर से स्लो बॉल को पूरी तरह से अपने कब्जे में लेते हुए और एक अच्छा शॉट, 4 रन।
या बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और स्लो बॉल थी, रिवर्स शॉट खेलना जानते हैं अच्छी तरह से, और राजू जापान उनकी और क्या शॉट है, क्या टाइमिंग है इस समय, व्हाट अ स्टाइलिश शॉट बाय कैप्टन राजू जापान।
एक विकेट भी लिया है। और ये देखें, ये कप्तान का एक्सपीरियंस।
सो अनदर ग्रेट लाइन, और इस समय बल्लेबाज को परेशान तो किया है, अब मौका था कैच का, और हरकुलिस के 4 पॉइंट है, तो कुछ ज्यादा अंतर नहीं है और इक्वल परफॉर्मेंस है। दो मैच खेले, एक एक जीता, एक एक हारा है। कोई भी फील्डर नहीं है, कोई भी।
एक और एक बड़ी विकेट, एक बहुत बड़ी विकेट। और ये एक बड़ी शॉट, पाले में बॉल थी जिसको,
ओ बहुत ऊपर खेला है और ये बॉल ऊपर ही रहेगी मैदान के बाहर। और क्या कमाल का शॉट। तो दूसरा सिक्स आकाश शास्त्री का लॉन्ग ऑन के ऊपर से। और ये एक और क्या कमाल की शॉट। ये बेटर लाइन, ये अच्छी लाइन थी। डिफेंसिव खेला, दूसरा रन खतरनाक। ओ यस, सिंपल रन आउट। बहुत दूर थे इस समय आशुतोष।
It's a wicket. Wicket sponsor is B.
तो कहां पे लेके जाते हैं?
बहुत बहुत ऊपर।
तो तीसरा
और ये बॉल भी मैदान के बाहर।
पड़ेगा आकाश की बैटिंग को। और एक बार फिर से बॉल हवा में और ये एक और सिक्स। तो 5
Performance by H2O Kaspa Hercules. I have with me Akash Shastri, who hit 39 runs, which had 6 sixes in just 9 balls, hitting 39. Akash, fantastic performance right at the end. Your team in the first match had the lowest total of 2026, which was 78 all out. Today you've scored the highest total of SPL so far, which is 211. So what's changed between match 1 and today?
Was the opening. Was in the first match Ankit was not there, and in last 2 matches even match he scored 60 plus runs, and even in this match both Ankit played very well, made so much of runs. Good start means it will be good.
Talking about your batting, you and Raju Japan, your captain, you came in a time when you needed to really lift the run rate, and then when Raju got out, it looked like okay, maybe 200 didn't be possible, and then you completely took the onus. How did it feel? How's that wicket behaving? How did you manage to hit 6 sixes?
The ball is coming onto bat very easily, and which is very good, of course. I got very good length balls, so I just took the initiative and just hit all the balls. Luckily went out for all.
Was that the advice given to you by a captain? Just hit it out of the park?
When I come, it was 17th over, so I have to hit all the balls. So whatever we get, whatever maximum runs we can get.
It's easy to give that advice. It's very difficult to execute that, and you did that perfectly. I don't think anyone could have batted any better. That's probably one of the highest strike rate we've seen. What did you prepare? What did you do before the match to make sure you were perform like that?
Not much, but it's slow time and there is just 12 or 15 balls left. So I have to go for it from the go. Like I go for it and just.
कोई स्पेसिफिक बॉलर को अटैक करने का ये ऐसी स्ट्रैटेजी था कि ये बॉलर को अटैक कर सकते हैं या ये लेंथ पे बेटर हिट कर सकते हैं? एनीथिंग दैट यू डिस्कस्ड?
Fast bowler, I like to play fast bowler, so I got what I wanted actually.
Well, congratulations on that fantastic performance. All the best for the second innings. So that was Akash Shastri, who hit 39 runs today. We're waiting for the second innings to start. 212 is the target in front of Inside Pranav Titans. Inside Pranav Titans have a big target in front of them. 212 they need to score to win this match. H2O Kaspa Hercules have put up the highest total of SPL 2026 so far. And Vishesh Muftani has started the bowling attack for H2O Kaspa Hercules. Keshav Kshatriya and Akshay Parot, the two opening batsmen for Inside Pranav Titans. that's a cracking shot. The first boundary of Inside Prav Titans. Oh, very important
ये
shot.
गया बाउंड्री से बाहर, steals a shot, steals a जोड़, time welding rod. ये गया बाउंड्री से बाहर.
Akshay Parrot hits his first 4 of this innings. And this ball also will race away to the boundary. Fielder trying to get to it. So that's 2 boundaries to end this opening over from Vishesh. Shastri doing wonders right at the end, hitting 5 sixes. In that final over to make. And that's gone high up in the air. It'll clear the boundary very easily. A big, big 6. And that's a reverse shot that will once again fly over the ropes. And that's another 4. This is some really good batting by both the. And that's another powerful hit. One more. And the ball's gone in the air. Fielder waiting underneath it. And finally, a wicket has fallen. And that's been hit out the park as well. And calls of catch, 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 but so Dhrumin Lagori has returned for his over so far, which is why Inside Prav Titans are in a very good position. 77 for 1, and look at that shot! Look at that! And now there's a fielder waiting, and it's again Vishesh Bhuptani. 2 wickets, 2 catches.
Without Ankit Panchal, and then H2O Karspa with Ankit Panchal. And another off without a boundary.
And just as you spoke, it looks like
Third catch for Vishesh Bhuptani, and the tight ball.
Kaushal Dave, he's the batsman who's been dismissed for 8.
And me as a player, I'm telling you, the chasing, like,
So that's a very welcome boundary for.
shot. One hand off the handle and creating that angle which misses the fielder. Shit. Hard.
Once again, a fielder waiting.
And another one. Another one down. That's what dot ball. That was a beautiful ball by Yash Mistry. This is his first.
And also tell us. Another 4 here, Kalpit.
Some great stats by the Sky Cricket team, showing us the batting. More catches dropped than even Scotland. That's a nice shot. Let's see if Vishesh gets there. And Vishesh drops one.
So the batsmen still lucky to be in the middle and they make the most of that luck.
Ankit Panchal with his magic again. In balls. Lovely shot by Pranav Bayer. But I believe there's two partners who. Oh, Dr. Sunny giving one back there. One more shout out to the BNI office creative team. Pranav Bayer gets out here.
For sure. Last over coming up of this match, and it's Yash Mistry who's returned with the ball.
Bridge as the tournament progresses. We'd love to have all the people watching come in with their families. We have something for everyone. We have a lucky draw, a grand lucky draw, if I may say. We are going to be doing every visitor who comes into the ground, a non-playing person coming into the ground can participate in the lucky draw, and we'll be getting a winner on the day of the finals. And in the meanwhile, H2O Karshpa Hercules complete a very dominating shot. But the scorecard tells us otherwise, because that last over by Akash, which went for 30 runs, is the difference of the match. So 1 over, 1 ball, 1 misfield and 1 catch. Anything can change a match, Nikhila.
Thank you so much, Anuj. Thank you for joining us in the commentary box. And a very, very well-earned victory here for H2O Karshpa Hercules. They win by 32 runs. Let's take a look at the bowling scorecard.
And we have Piyush here. I can see Piyush is one of the most energetic people I know from BNI. Always there for the team. And his energy is contagious. So H2O has a lot going for them. After the first loss, they've come back